When demands are high, your loading dock can have very busy lift truck traffic entering and exiting a trailer. Directing pedestrians to walk through a busy loading dock is like directing people to cross a busy freeway with many vehicles moving in opposite directions. Direct your people traffic away from high-risk mobile equipment traffic. Another risk when loading and unloading a trailer is premature movement of the trailer, while mobile equipment is entering and exiting with a pallet load. There are several options to secure a truck or trailer to the loading dock. Probably the most common method of securement is wheel chucks, wedge-shaped blocks that are placed in front of tires closest to the loading dock. This method could be used in conjunction with disconnecting the glad hand, the air hose between the tractor and trailer, which locks the brakes of the trailer to minimize movement. A glad hand lock on the connector will then keep the brakes locked. A third and more reliable method is to use mechanical trailer restraint device such as a dock lock mechanism, which secures a hook-like device to the rear impact guard or ICC bar of the trailer. These are just a few methods to prevent unwanted truck or trailer movement at the loading dock during loading and unloading operations.